Do you get a list of people you want to contact right away, but you want them to feel special and got to personalize it? If you want to have software that makes it simple to send customized emails and SMS messages, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Introducing PostSheet. Sending a mass email is made simple as sending a regular email. You can just import your contacts, you can use the information in your spreadsheet to build your message, and then you can sit back and unwind as PostSheet sends your recipients a customized message. Plus, you can link information from a Google Sheet or Airtable spreadsheet to your next mass mailing campaign and email marketing service. This platform gives you the ability to personalize each email sent with fields from your database. You can incorporate any field from your prospect database into a bulk email using PostSheet. The utility functions in the same way when sending SMS or text messages. Plus, this software makes it simple to send customized emails if you have a database of prospects organized in a lovely Google Sheet or Airtable spreadsheet. Your standard email editor will be replaced by a user-friendly interface, which is straightforward and functional. Furthermore, PostSheet initially makes you create a spreadsheet in Google Sheets or Airtable with the columns matching the fields you wish to include in your email campaign. You are then given a template by the site in which you can write your message and personalize it with the information from your spreadsheet. Additionally, each field in your spreadsheet is represented as a button. The information can be added to your email with only one click. You're done after just one more click. The program will instantly generate a new message and email it to the recipient. Fusion occurs quickly and flawlessly. Clear. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Customized SMS and email with just one click with PostSheet. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.